Hi there, this is Michelle Ducharme and I'm giving a quick video tutorial on creating and using QR codes in your classroom. So the first thing you might be wondering is, what is a QR code? If you haven't seen them, they're these little two-dimensional scannable barcodes. Most cell phones, smartphones, iPods, iPads have apps that you can download, use the device's camera to scan the barcode, and from there it's kind of limitless. So for uses in the classroom, you can have students have easier access to websites instead of typing it in. Some students might be able to just scan a barcode and then be able to quickly get to a website that you might be visiting. You can use them for your classroom library, helping students return books to the proper bins just by placing the barcode on the back of the book and having students scan the barcode when they're finished, and the correct bin will just pop up on the screen and they can easily replace the book back to where they got it originally, saving you a lot of time and energy organizing your classroom library. I've also used it for individual work and for group work in the classroom. Really helps foster some independence. Students can solve problems or answer questions and then use a device to scan a barcode to check to see if their answers are correct, rather than having to be checked in with a lot within a classroom or within a time period. So it's a great way to help build some independence, especially for students who that might be an issue for. So let's get started in learning how to generate a QR code. I'm using the QR code generator within Google Chrome. Our classroom is lucky enough to have one-on-one access with Google Chrome Chromebooks, so this is an easy way also for students to be able to create their own QR codes. But there are so many free QR code generators that have many or more of the features that are on here, and they're so easy to create. So I'm going to show you how to create one and then how to transfer it into Google Docs to be able to print it out and laminate it for use in your classroom. So first thing you'd have to do here is just come onto the generator. You have the option here of scanning or generating. In this case, we're going to generate. Coming up to the top text bar here, you can type in text. So this would be great if you're creating your own answers to questions or to work that's being done in the classroom that you have students working to check their own answers. You'd use that here in the free text area. For accessing websites that you might want students to visit or maybe have taped on a desk for easy access, you can type in web addresses and URLs here. So let's start with text. Let's say we're going to use these QR codes for a new book in the library, and maybe we want this to say fiction bin number 3. So if students are returning this fiction book into bin number 3, the code here has already been generated. It's unique to what you've typed in here. Go ahead and save that. And we're going to say library book. And there we go. Go ahead and save that. Now it's going to be on your computer. And you can pull that up. And from there, it's pretty easy to copy and paste into a Google Doc. So I've got one started here for a math assignment I've been working on. I've created a grid for each of the questions, and then the answer barcode will be embedded within the table. Then I can resize it to make sure it's large enough for the kids to be able to hold the devices up. But let's go ahead and paste that one in there. So that's the barcode we just made. You might want to, just for yourself, kind of have it labeled in the document so that you remember what that is. Library book code 1, let's say. That way you know which book you'd want to stick that on. So all you have to do is print this page from your Google Doc, cut it out, tape it on the back of the book, and the kids would be able to scan that and easily return their book to where they got it originally. So let's try now using a URL. So the same kind of box pops up. Maybe let's say I want to them to view this YouTube video on division as a review. Now I would just copy and paste the link into the into the box and go ahead and save that. And maybe we'll say that this is division review and save that. Again, it pops up into your downloads, so you can easily kind of retrace that. Go ahead and copy it, bring that into your Google Doc or your Word document, and paste it. So you can see that they're individual, and this, I'll just call this for my records, division review. So I might use this for a classroom if we're reviewing before a test. If kids are having problems with part of the review, they could just walk over with their device, scan the barcode, and be taken directly to that video review and kind of give them some control over their own learning and their own review. So using the QR code makes it really easy to foster some independence for your students. Additionally, I've seen some teachers in school link the QR codes to videos that they've created on iPads or computers and use that out in the hallway. It's great for parents who might be coming in and visiting school. Everybody's got their smartphone and they can just walk up to their student's work, scan, and kind of be brought right to a video of their student reading their story out loud in a dramatic way, or sharing a song or maybe a chant that they've created with their classmates on a certain topic. So there's kind of an unlimited amount of ways that you can use QR codes in your classroom, and I think it's a great way to utilize some of the technology that we have in our classes and really engage students in learning. So thanks for watching.